Embark on the Columbus Challenge, a team-building adventure that tests your creativity, problem-solving, and collaboration. Bring your vision to life as you and your team build a real-life roller coaster using only craft materials. Form your teams and assign roles. Each member plays a vital role in constructing a unique and functional roller coaster. Get creative. Using the provided materials, follow the preset parameters to design a self-standing coaster that features a drop, a hill, and an exit path. Watch it in action. Once built, test your roller coaster and see how well it meets the challenge. Enhance your analytical and visionary skills while learning the power of collaboration. The Columbus Challenge is more than an activity. It's an exercise on collaboration, creativity, and team bonding.